What is that?
Boa.
Oh, look it. It says big sister.
Fishy. Fishy. Fish,
Fishy.
Daddy, fishy.
Oh, fishy.
Finding Nemo.
Movie?
You want to watch it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll watch it after we're done. You want to finish opening your package? What else is in there?
Yeah.
What else is in there? Oh, lots of candy. Okay, you can have one piece. But it says, Happy late Easter. Enjoy all your goodies. It's from Gigi and Papa. What else is in here? Let's see what else, and Mommy will give you a piece. More candy. What else? Keep going. What else is in there? Is there more? Those bunnies? Yeah, those are marshmallows. We'll open those. What else? Is there one more thing in there? What else is in there? What is Mickey Mouse? What are they? Are they Mickey Mouse undies?
Yeah.
Yay! Is there more? Are these stickers? They're tattoos of Mickey Mouse. They're Mickey Mouse tattoos. Oh, cool. What do you say? Say thank you, Gigi.
Thank you, Gigi.
You blow her a kiss? Good job.